Okay, so we're almost done, and my mom is making the lei. As you can see, we're almost done. Okay, so you're gonna leave about this much thread to tie it, and then you're gonna cut it. At the end of the tissue paper. Or finger, yes. And then, once you take that end to the other end, you're gonna take it together, and you're going to tie it. Oh, and then you're done. And then you cut it out. And you can also use whatever colors you like. You don't have to use the same colors that we did. Those are just the colors that we use to show for example. So now, you're going to tie it. The two ends together. Okay, so